Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for February 7th to the 19th. We have a change that will be occurring in the pattern again as we go later into the month. The European and even the GFS ensembles are showing the MJO phase moving towards phase 8 and 1. These are colder phases for the eastern U.S. and milder phase for the west. This has occurred before, and the MJO has weakened, trying to move out of the central or eastern Pacific. Mid to late February forecast depends highly on the MJO. If this time the MJO holds and moves across the Pacific, then a change to cold is the right move in the east, and also a stormy period. We're going to look now at the period for February 7th to the 11th. This is what we're forecasting. We have a strong ridge here over the Northeast Pacific, trough in the west, ridge in the east. We have a ridge coming really from the Bahamas or the Southwest Atlantic into the Gulf of Mexico. And the models are good agreement. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting temperatures will be well above normal in the east. A cold front will move through in the area that will bring back cooler air with temperatures closer to normal. The area from the northern Rockies and the upper Midwest will experience temperatures well below normal. A swath of precipitation, which most of it in rain, with snow on the northern fringes, will be possible. Spread east from the plains to the Ohio-Tennessee Valley and into the northern Mid-Atlantic and Northeast on Thursday. The rain could be locally heavy in the warm sector. To the north, some accumulating snows will be possible across the upper Great Lakes, with lake effect snow developing on Friday and into the weekend due to cold air advection behind the departing system. February 10th to the 14th. We get to the map. 10th to the 14th. The pattern remains unchanged. We still have a ridge, trough, ridge configuration. The models are good agreement. So for this forecast, I'm forecasting below normal temperatures for much of this area here. And I'm forecasting anomalies of at least 6 to 12 degrees or higher will be possible. Above normal temperatures are forecast here, with anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal. Precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here and from the plains to Atlantic coast, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 55%. Now, as we get to later in the month, this would be about the mid-month period, this February 15th to the 19th. Most of the models are showing the pattern remaining the same. But if we look at the European ensembles, has a broad trough across much of the nation, very strong positive height anomalies across Alaska. So we got to wait and see if this pattern holds. The European ensembles temperatures shows below normal temperature for much of the nation. We got to see if this is a trend. But for now, I'm forecasting below normal temperatures for much of this area here. And I'm forecasting anomalies of 6 degrees or more will be possible. And then above normal temperatures are forecast for this region, the southern U.S. And I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal. And for our precipitation, I'm expecting little change in the temperature and the precipitation anomalies from the previous period. That's the long-range weather forecast discussion for February 7th to the 19th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.